Hey yo, what's up guys? Hopefully you guys had a great Christmas this year and are spending a good time with your family. Anyways, this is my short little Christmas haul slash what I got as a present from my family-in-law. But there's one present that I bought myself. And we'll start up with that. So firstly, I got a promise ring. It's still in the shop getting fixed up and like adjusted to my fingers because they're like really tiny, okay, and the ring was like falling off basically. Anyways, it's like a ring where like the ring itself is made out of yellow gold, and then the little diamond is I don't know, it's a white diamond, I guess. I don't know. You guys will see in further videos if I end up wearing it in the next videos, which is probably going to be the case. Anyways, let's start off the shopping haul thing, my bobber. So I just have a small bag, nothing too crazy. I just kind of wanted to show some life on this channel again because it's been a while since I made an actual video. Anyways, to start it off, I have a nice little purse. It's beautiful. It's like the kind that you just put it on your arm like this and you're like, slay queen. Then I just wanted to show inside, like, there's like little pockets and like a little thing to put like a card or something. I don't know what I'll do with it exactly, but I know I'll use it for sure. Then I got a little scrunchie. Isn't it adorable with the little strawberries on it? Wow, it's so beautiful. I love it. I'm gonna wear it in my hair, like, when I get the chance. Then I got this little bra thing there. Like, I could put it underneath a t-shirt and like reveal like the sides of it, like this side, you know? Yeah, it's really nice. It's giving hippie, you know? Then I have a London, St. George London, I think it says. I'm not wearing my actual glasses right now because, I don't know, I feel like wearing sunglasses. But anyways, yeah, there's this beautiful hat. Ooh, ready for the summer, you know? Or like fall or whatever, just not winter in Canada. It's too cold. Then I have this beautiful skirt. It's like a hippie skirt. It's like really long. I'll try it on in the end of the video just to show you guys like what it looks like on me. Then I have a beautiful, beautiful dress. Look at this beauty. It's so beautiful. I love it so much. Like there's little flowers or something on it. It's black flowers. It's awesome. Then the next thing, I can't really show it on the camera, but I got like underwear like with little skulls on it. It's like boxer briefs for women and they're really comfortable. I don't really feel comfortable showing it on camera, so that's what you get. Alright, so this is the skirt. Let me do a little twirl for you. This is the dress. Let me do a little twirl once again. Basically what I was saying, this was like the dress that I got. It looks beautiful. I love it. I'm ready for the summer. And hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please consider liking and maybe subscribing because I'm trying to get to 500 followers. Anyways, have a great day and Merry Christmas. Happy New Year's.